You know that feeling staring at a task you have to do, but nothing? Let's fix that. So why do we do it? We call it laziness, but the truth is way more primal than that. And the cost? It's huge. We're not talking about deadlines. We're talking about dreams.
See, your brain's just trying to protect you, but its old school software is sabotaging your modern life.
Here's the big lie we've all been told. The truth: action comes first, motivation follows.
Just getting started is what creates that momentum you've been waiting for. It's that simple. So for day one, it's about one thing. Pick that task you've been avoiding and finish it 100%. But sometimes the problem isn't the doing, it's the knowing. Procrastination loves confusion. First off, you gotta ask yourself, why? Does this even matter? If there's no why, there's no try. Okay, next, what does done actually look like? You can't hit a target you can't even see. And finally, how do you start? You don't need a map, just the very first step. So you've got clarity. But then there's that other thing, right? Fear. Let's talk about it. And listen, it's not just you. Even Meryl Streep feels like a fraud. This feeling is totally normal. So instead of fighting fear, what if you reframed it? It's not a stop sign. It's a signal you care. The trick is simple. You're not good enough yet. That one word changes everything, doesn't it? Okay, we have the parts. Now how do we make it all consistent? We need a system. This isn't about willpower. It's about building a daily routine that puts action on autopilot. So what if procrastination isn't your enemy? What if it's actually a signal trying to tell you something? Your future is built by what you do right now. So the only real question is, who will you choose to be?